Hey guys, this is Eric from Agile Design and Fabrication, and today I'm going to show you how to assemble our Muscari bed. This assembly video goes for all sizes. There's only a few subtle differences between this one and the king size, and I'll explain these details as we get to them. Firstly, you want to lay one of the long pieces like this and one of the end panels together like this, kind of in a square fashion. So make sure that these little pockets here are both on the same side and facing inside towards each other when you lay them out. So once our slats are laid out like this, the next step will be to install the headboard supports. This is what they look like. And so in all models except the King, you wouldn't have these slots here, and you'll understand why in a second. This is our junction between the headboard support and the bed. So this is what this pocket is for. And this is the only step that requires the assistance of a rubber mallet for this piece. The next step would be the headboard. So on the King version, we have these extra pieces here that serve to stiffen up the headboard so it doesn't go in as much. This isn't present in the other bed sizes simply because the bed is not as wide, and so these aren't necessary. And voila, this is our Muscari Bed assembly. So the finish you see here is an all-natural tung oil that we cook before applying so that it dries even harder. All the solvents used to thin out the oil are organic based. It's orange terpenes. These are considered food grade. So this is probably one of the cleanest beds you can find nowadays. With this being said, if you would like a different color, a different texture, a stain perhaps, or just a different finish altogether, please don't hesitate to contact us either on the website www.designagile.ca or on our Etsy page, and we'll gladly make that custom finish happen for you. Thank you for listening.